Hey class, welcome to the Fundamentals of Photoshop video training series. Really excited to get this training on this amazing and powerful program underway. And first and foremost, we need to answer the question, what is Photoshop? And what is it used for, and who uses it? Because most people have heard that term Photoshop, or oh, that picture looks photoshopped. And so let's get a good explanation and definition here. And I looked on ask.com, and of course here's the question again, what is Photoshop used for? And briefly they state, Photoshop is a graphics editing program that is used to create and manipulate images. The program's versatile nature makes it useful for a huge range of imaging tasks, and Photoshop is used in fields as diverse as architecture, astronomy, animation, forensics, web design, and medicine. So you can see it's widely used across many fields all around the world. Photoshop is definitely handy. It is complex, and it takes a very detailed step-by-step process and approach when learning the program. So we're going to be doing a fundamentals, and after we finish our fundamentals training, we'll do some project-based stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get started with opening an image file in Photoshop. I'm going to be sharing a lot of files with you guys throughout the course, and if you've taken my course before, you know I do it in Google Drive. So let's go ahead and let's get this file here from Google Drive. I have shared it with you already, and it's in your AV Comm view folder. So I'm just going to delete that one here. We have a blank Photoshop interface waiting for us. So this is my teacher Google Drive account here, and you can see I have 4 folders under this AV communication. You're going to have 3 folders. The first one is going to be your assignment folder. So it's going to say assignment folder and then your last name and first name. Okay. You're also going to get an AV communication edit folder. You will not get this teacher folder. This is just for me. And you will get this AV communication view folder. Most of the files that I want you to open in some of our Adobe software programs will most likely be in this AV communication view folder here. So again, you're getting 3. You're going to get one assignment folder, you're going to get an edit folder, and a view folder. So let's go ahead and open up our view folder. And you can see I have 5 image files in this PNG format, and I'm going to get this one right here. Just double click on it. It loads up a preview, and you can see this symbol right here when you screen tip says download. Just click it once, and it's downloading here in the corner, and it's ready. So what I want you to do when we're working on Photoshop this semester is we're going to create a new folder on your desktop, and we're going to start storing our files in there, and we'll just leave it on our desktop for easy access until we're done working with Photoshop. So let's go ahead and let's do that right now. Let's go ahead and let me just minimize this. We'll minimize Photoshop, and this is my desktop on my home computer. I'm just going to right click on my mouse. You guys do the same. Go down to new folder, click on folder, and it's highlighted and ready to go. To name it, we're going to name it Photoshop CS6. Just click enter, and it says okay, I already created a folder like this because I was doing a practice run through. So I'm just going to click yes here, and it just replaced that old one, but it'll just drop it onto your desktop. Okay, now let's go ahead and get that file we downloaded. You can see it here in the corner. Quick shortcut, we'll just minimize our browser window here. Down here in the corner, we can left click, hold, and drag and drop it right into that Photoshop CS6. Okay. Now we can go back to Photoshop. We can go to File, Open. Okay, you're going to get this dialog box here. You need to go to your desktop and then search for that file, or that folder file in here that we had. Here it is, Photoshop. I have 2 in there, and we're gonna upload this one here. Fundamentals of Photoshop, and there it is. So that's our introductory video on fundamentals of Photoshop. I hope you're excited to delve in and go through this course. We'll see you in video number 2.